Myself, Manisha Lassi, class teacher of Standard 4th. I wish that you are fine, fit, happy, healthy at your home and missing your school too. As we know that beginning of something new is always amazing. Let's start our favorite subject Maths for Standard 4th. Chapter number 1, Large Numbers. Chapter, let's learn some basic. Are you ready? As we can see on the screen, when I move on one place to tens place, the digit gets multiplied by 10. And when we move from tens place to the hundred place, the digit once again gets multiplied by 10. And when we move from hundred place to the thousand place, the digit gets multiplied by 10. Now, if I further multiply by 10, I move to the left. I get the 10,000. This is 10,000 place. It is 10 times to the 1000 place. As we move to the left, the place value gets multiplied by 10. This is 10,000 place. You see on the screen that this is 9999, that is 9,999, and the next number is 10,000. It has two-digit number. So the two-digit number cannot be accommodated in a one place. We cannot write two-digit number in a one place. So 10,000 shift here and comes in 10,000 place. So this is 5-digit number. This one number actually represents 10,000 because it is in the 10,000 place. Just like a 1 in the 1000 place represent 1000. Similarly, 1 in the 100 place represents 100. Similarly, 1 in the 10,000 place represent 10,000. As we all know that this 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So this one actually represents the 10,000. You see on the screen, we have to use the clues to find the years in which these devices were invented. The first device is I am a telescope. What is telescope? It is an instrument that allows people to see the distinct places. The clue is given, that is 1000 plus 600 plus 8. So how we have to write? 1000 plus 600 plus 8. So in the 1000 place, 1000 is given. So we will write only 1. And in the 100 place, 600 is given. So we write 6. And in the tens place, nothing is to be given. So we will put 0. And in the ones place, 8 is to be given. So we will write 8. So the telescope was invented in the year 1608. Next device is telephone. The clue is given in the words 1876. So in the 1000 place, we have to write 1000. In the 100 place, we have to write write 800, and in the tens place we have to write 70, and in the ones place we have to write 6. So from the thousand place we have to take 1, from the hundred place we have to take 8, and from the tens place we have to take 7, and from the ones place we have to take 6. So the telephone was invented in the year 1876. Next device is television. The clue is given, so with the help of clue we can solve the sum. Smallest number formed using the digit 9, 1, 2 and 6. Keeping 9 at the hundred place. Here it is mentioned that you have to keep 9 in the hundred place. Let's see the solution of the sum. We'll put 9 in the hundred place, and the smallest number is 1. So in the thousand place we have to write 1. In the hundred place we are already written 9. So move on the next smallest number, that is 2. So in the tens place we will write 2, and the last number remaining is 6. So in the ones place we will write the 6. It is concluded that the television was invented in the year 1926. As you see on the screen, question number 1, write in words the year in which the telescope and the television respectively were invented. So the telescope was invented in the year 1608, as we seen earlier. Next, the television was invented in the year 1926. Let's move on the second question. Write the place value of digit 6 in each of the 3 years. The three years is first the telescope year, that is 1608. Second, the telephone year, that is
3.
And the telephone was invented in the year 1876, and the next device telephone.
3.
The next device is telephone, which was invented in the year 1876, that is 1876. Next, television, which was invented in the year 1926, that is 1926. We have to find the place value of 6 in the 3 years of the 3 years. So we have to find the place value of digit 6 in each of the 3 years. Let's start the solution. In the thousand place we have to write 1000. In the hundred place we have to write 600, and in the tens place nothing is to be given, so we'll put 0, and in the ones place we have to write 8. Here the 6 is in the hundreds place, so its place value is 600. So in the first line the answer is 600. Next, in the thousand place we have to write 1000. In the hundred place we have to write 800, and in the tens place we have to write 70, and in the ones place we have to write 6. Here the 6 is in the ones place. So the place value is 6. Similarly, we have to write 6 in the second blank. Next, in the thousand place, we have to write 1000. In the hundred place, we have to write 900. In the tens place, we have to write 20. And in the ones place, we have to write 6. So the 6 is in the ones place. So its place value is 6. In the third blank, we have to write 6. Let's move on. Third question. Arrange the years of invention in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order are arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest. Take a small example. The numbers are 5, 2, 7, 3. Okay. According to you, what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 2. So here I am written 2. The next smallest number is 3. So after 2, the next smallest number is 3. So I have written here 3. The next smallest number is 5 and last is 7. So these numbers are arranged in an ascending order from smallest to the largest. Accordingly, here you have to see that telescope was invented in the year 1608 and the telephone was invented in the year 1876 and the television was invented in the year 1926. So we have to arrange these years in the ascending order. The smallest number is 16. So first we have to write 1608. Okay. Next, if we see that the second digit, that is next smallest number 1876. After 1608, we have to write 1876. And the last number which was remaining, that is 1926. So we have to write 1926. These years are arranged in the ascending order. Let's start the first topic of your chapter, that is number beyond 9999, that is 9999. Here you can see that the next channel is an organization who has organized an All India Dance Competition. Auditions are being held in the different cities across the India. The team is in Bangalore now. Atul is the host of the show. Atul is a person who is going to hosting the show. To keep track of the contestants, he assigned a number to each contestant. Okay, so far a total of 9996, that is 9996 contestants have come for the audition. In Bangalore, Atul looks at 4 more contestants entering the auditorium. He gives them their number, that is 9997, next 9998 and next 9999. So here we have to find what will be the number of 4th contestant. The 4th contestant will get the number 10,000. How the 4th contestant will get the 10,000? By adding 1 to the number gives the next number, that is 9999 plus 1 equals to 10,000. which is the 5-digit number, read as 10,000. This gives a new place value in the value chart. Let's move on. Next activity. There is a conversation between the Rahul and the Atul. Rahul record the numbers in the record book and Atul is assigning the numbers to all participants. So let's look the conversation between the Atul and Rahul. Rahul, look at the new contestants coming in. Write their number in your record book. So here the Rahul is recording the numbers in his record book and the Atul is assigning the numbers to all participants. And the Rahul's number is 32,678. Okay, let's us look at the serial number assigned to the Rahul in the place value chart. So with the help of place value chart, we can put 3 in the place of 10,000, 2 in the place of 1,000, 6 in the place of 100, 7 in the place of tens, and 8 in the place of ones. The place value chart for the number with 5 or more digit is divided into 2 equal groups are called periods. So here the first period is from 100, tens and ones, and the second period is 10,000 and 1,000. The 5 digit also comes under the 1,000 period. Let's look the another place value chart. Here ones period has 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds, and the 1,000 period has 2 places, 1,000 and 10,000. A place value chart helps us in reading large numbers, that is 32,678, the number which was assigned to the Rahul by the Atul. Accordingly, if 10,790 is written here, how you will read? It is read it as 10,790. The number in the same period are read together. A comma is used to separate the period in a number. In the number 32,678, a comma before 6 separate the 1,000 from the ones period. Okay, so now the Rahul gets selected in the audition and he shares his experience with his friend Mayank. Hey Mayank, guess what? I have been selected for next channel dance competition. Lakhs of contestants appeared for the auditions in different cities across India. We had a great time. Mayank, wow! Congratulations Rahul. You must have been really excited. But what do you mean by lakhs? Do you know what is lakhs? Lakh is smallest 6-digit number. It is same as 100,000 and is written as 1,00,000, that is 100,000. A 6-digit number moves into a new period called lakhs period. 1 lakh can be written as 99,999, that is 99,999 plus 1, where 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. 999, and the smallest is 1 lakh. Now look at the place value chart with periods. Lakh period, 1000 periods and 1's period. So the place value increase as we move from right to left in a place value chart. Do you know how many times does the place value of digit increase with each shift to the left in a multi-digit number? So the place value of a digit increase by 10 times. That means we have to multiply by 10 as we move from left on the place value chart and decrease by 10 times as we move from the right side of the place value chart. Now Mayank found that about 3,67,908 contestants had appeared for the audition at different venues across the India. As you seen on the screen, 3,67,908 is written in a words, that is 3,67,908. Now write the place value of each digit. 3 is in the place of lakh, so we'll write 3 lakh in words, or you can also write in numbers 3 lakhs, and 6 in the place of 10,000, so you can write 60,000 in words, or also you can write in numbers 60,000. 7 is in the place of 1000, so here we have to write 7,000, and 9 is in the place of 100, so here we have to write 900, and 0 is in the place of tens. So if we multiply by 10, 0 into 10 gives us 0. So you have to write 0, and 8 is in the place of ones. So you have to write 8. So we get the answers of all the place value of each digit. Next, the selected participants are fill up registration form. Write the registration number in expanded form. So first is given 10,008. How we have write in the expanded form? It is given in the standard form. We have to convert it into a expanded form. So 10, we have to write 10,000 plus 0 is given in the 100 place. So we will put 0 as it is, plus in the tens place 0 is given. So we write 0 in the tens place, and in the ones place 8 is given. So plus 8. Okay, this is an expanded form. Next, 67,736. First, we have to split 67 in 60 and 7. So first, we have to write 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 6. Next, 1,500,000. Number is 1,500,000. So here 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 zeros comes in 1 lakh. In the place of 10,000, 0 is there. So we will also write 0 as it is. Similarly, in the place of 1000, 0 is there. So we have also write 0. In the place of 100, 5 is there. So we have write plus 500. And in the place of tens and ones, 0 is there. So we will also write plus 0 plus 0. So this is the expanded form of 1,500,000. Next, 13,168. So 2 is in the place of leg. So we write 2 0 0 0 0 0. 5 zeros. Then we split 13 into 2 parts, 10,000 and 1,000. So here in the place of 10,000 write plus 10,000, and in the place of 1,000 3 is given, so we write 3,000. Okay, in the place of 100 we will write plus 100 because 1 is given, and again we split 68 in 2 parts, 60 plus 8, so plus 60 and plus 8. Number 1, 10,000 is a smallest 5-digit number. Number 2, 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. And a place value chart has different periods, lakhs, thousand and ones. Each period consists of different places. We can put comma in the place to separate different periods. Next class, we will study about comparing and ordering numbers. Thank you.